Recently I bought a new 3D printer, but I found out that just like my old 3D printer, this would get dusty soon. So I thought of buying a 3D printer cabinet for this. I scrolled across the internet and all I found was cabinets that were either not strong enough or just out of my budget. So as a DIYer, I planned on making one. At first, I thought of making a cabinet out of aluminum frame and acrylic, but later I realized that it will be a bit of overkill for this project. So I went up to the local plywood store and bought 4 pieces of 2x2 feet laminated MDF board. It cost me around $9. Then I found some 1x1 inch wooden beads lying around my house. I joined the MDF boards using the beads as corner support. Then I drilled 3 holes and fixed a transparent flexible PVC sheet which cost me around $1. Next, I drilled a hole on the cabinet for electrical wire outlet, mounted a power strip on the left wall of the cabinet, placed some 12-volt LEDs on the roof for illumination, tied the excessive wires with some zip ties, and boom. After placing the printer in the cabinet, I found out that there is some space that remains unused, so I took a small plywood and 2x1 inch bits, drilled 10 mm holes on the bits, mounted the 2x1 inch bits on the opposite sides. Then I placed an electrical PVC pipe between those bits in order to prevent the bits from leaning to the center. I cut another electrical PVC pipe of shorter length and inserted into the filament spool. Then I inserted a 8 mm bolt on the holes of the wooden bits and through the PVC pipe. Next, I placed the filament spool holder in the cabinet and it fits perfectly. And the 3D printer cabinet is ready and works awesome. It blocks around 20% of the noise created by the 3D printer during its peak printing hours. But one of the drawbacks is that the inside of the cabinet heats up a little bit during long printing hours, but just lifting the flexible transparent PVC sheet solves the problem. In further videos, I will try adding a fan with air filter or a thermoelectric cooling system to this cabinet to stay cool. Stay subscribed to get the latest updates about this project, and there is many more to come.